स्टूडेंट, टॉपिक चल रहा है एसबीआई, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। इससे पहले हमने एसबीआई के फंक्शंस और उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। आज डिस्कशन करेंगे की एरियाज ऑफ ऑपरेशंस स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। देखिए, वर्किंग ऑफ ए बैंक इज अमंग द मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ऑफ corporate operations, since banking involves dealing directly with money. Government in most countries regulate this sector rather strictly. In India, the regulation traditionally has been very strict, and in the opinion of central quarters responsible for the present condition of bank, where NPAs are of a very higher order. The process of financial reforms, which started in 1991, has cleared the cobwebs somewhat, but a lot remains to be done. The multiplicity of a policy and regulation that a bank has to work with makes its operations even more complicated, sometimes bordering on illogical. Banking Regulation Act of India 1949 defines banking as accepting for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits of money from the public, repayable on demand or otherwise, and withdrawable by check, draft, and order by otherwise. Student, key areas of operations. Number 1, corporate banking. This segment of the bank has total business of around SBI has created various strategies, business unit in order to streamline its operation. Strategic business units such as जैसे corporate account. This strategic business unit is important for bank as its loan portfolio contributed about 27.05% of bank commercial and institutional non-food credit and 12.85% of total domestic credit portfolio as on 31st March 2006. जैसे कि लीजिंग, small business unit is not writing any leases since the past few years unfavorable business climate and availability. Project finance. This small business unit focus on funding core projects like power, telecom, roads, ports, airports, special economic zones, and others. Mid corporate group. The Mid Corporate Group (MCG), created in June 2004, has 7 MCG regional offices controlling 28 large branches with high concentration of mid-corporate business. Number 2, National Banking. This banking group has 14 administrative circles and encompassing a vast network of 9177 branches and 4 some offices, 12 exchange, 140 satellite office and 679 extension countries to reach out of customer even in the remotest corners of country. First, personal banking यानी SBU. This small business unit is mainly responsible for retail business, small and medium enterprises. Business unit implemented comprehensive strategies, revamped business process, and with its focus on market dynamics and customer preferences, achieve commendable business growth, and initiative was implemented by the focusing on specific industry segment. नेशनल बैंकिंग में आता है एग्रीकल्चर बैंकिंग. दिस स्मॉल बिजनेस यूनिट इज अकाउंटेबल फॉर एग्रीकल्चर क्रेडिट बोथ ट्रेडिशनल एंड न्यू ट्रस्ट एरियाज लाइक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग, फार्मर्स फाइनेंस थ्रू एग्री एक्सपोर्ट जोन्स. Government banking with the establishment of the government business unit and the consequent focus on marketing, business turnover of this segment has grown substantially over the years. Number 3, international banking. A small business unit has a network of offices in 30 countries in all time zones and correspondence. Relationship with 520 international banks in 123 countries. The bank has keen to implement core banking solution its international branches also. Student, 25 foreign offices were successfully switched over a Frankel software. SBI has installed ATMs and mail Muscat and Colombo offices in recent years. SBI acquired 76% shareholding in a Grow Commercial Bank Limited in Kenya and Indomonax Bank Limited, Indonesia. The bank incorporated a company SBI Botswana Limited at Gobor. Next आता है स्टूडेंट नंबर 4, ट्रेजरी. The bank manages as integrated treasury covering both domestic and foreign exchange market. In the treasury operation of the bank has become more active amidst rising interest rate scenario, robust credit growth and liquidity constraints. Last, associates, subsidiaries. Associate and subsidiaries, in addition to banking the SBI group through its various subsidiaries, provide a whole range of financial services which include the life insurance, merchant banking, mutual fund, credit card factoring, security trading, and primary dealership in money market. स्टूडेंट, इसके बाद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आता है अचीवमेंट ऑफ SBI, जैसे कि डेवलपमेंट ऑफ बैंकिंग फैसिलिटीज़ ऑफ रूरल क्रेडिट, विलेज एडॉप्शन, इंटीग्रेटेड रूरल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम, फाइनेंशियल एड टू स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज और ग्रामोदय स्कीम. और नंबर 7, फाइनेंसिंग ऑफ फॉरेन ट्रेड. ये इसके अचीवमेंट हैं SBI के. द मेन अचीवमेंट्स ऑफ SBI नंबर 1, अब इसको डिस्कस करते हैं इस पर, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ बैंकिंग फैसिलिटीज़। देखिए, द स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ प्लेड एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ बैंकिंग फैसिलिटीज़ इन इंडिया। स्टेट बैंक of India was required under the law to establish 1,000 new branches in 2010. The State Bank achieved this target much before the scheduled time. At present, State Bank was the biggest bank in the world. Thus, the State Bank Group has rendered a valuable service by opening new branches in the backward rural areas. Number 2, facilities of rural credit. The State Bank performs the following functions in the field of rural credit. First, State Bank of India grants loan and advances to the cooperative bank against government securities at minimum rate of interest. That is, it provides the financial assistance यानी 3% per annum. It provides financial assistance to the agriculture concessional rates. जो क्रेडिट कार्ड है उस पर वैसे 7% है, लेकिन टाइम के अंतर्गत यदि उस लोन को जमा कर दिया जाता है तो 4% और 3% वापस आ जाता है कंसेशनल रेट पर। द स्टेट बैंक ऑल्सो ग्रांट्स loan to credit societies affiliated with the cooperative banks on the production of guarantee from the latter. It provides free remittance facilities to cooperative financial institutions, and State Bank grants loan and advances on security of certain assets, the cooperative sugar mills and cooperative cotton gaining societies. And State Bank gives direct loan to cooperative sales and processing societies. State Bank grants loan to primary consumer cooperative stores through the medium of cooperative financial institutions. The State Bank also invests its funds in the purchase of debenture of the central land development banks. The State Bank also provides financial assistance to the central and state government for the establishment of license godowns in different parts of the country. स्टूडेंट, आज हमने इसके अचीवमेंट के 2 पॉइंट डिस्कस किए। कल नंबर 3 विलेज एडॉप्शन डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।